What if you could eliminate the maintenance nightmares you have with your current grinder pump?
We get a lot of service calls due to pumps jamming up, floats getting stuck inside the basin with grease and soaps. And until we discovered E1 pumps, we were doing service calls on restaurants every other week.
What if your O&M costs could be reduced by up to 90%?
Without even having to look at documentation, I can guarantee that we have cut our overtime factor for a small community by just about 70%.
What if you could free up your maintenance crew for more important projects rather than answering nuisance emergency calls?
The upgrade has been great. We have not had a single issue. There hasn't been a single call for any maintenance or service.
Would this make your job easier? In the next few minutes, we'd like to show you how you can replace your costly high-maintenance grinder pump with the most reliable grinder pumps in the industry, the E1 Upgrade Grinder Pump. E1 developed the grinder pump more than 45 years ago, and with more than 1 million end users daily, Environment One has gained the reputation for designing a highly efficient, extremely reliable, and cost-effective grinder pump, the heart of the world's leading low-pressure sewer system. If you're not currently using E1 pumps, you may be straining your maintenance budget just to keep the old pumps working. You may be plagued by constant service calls resulting from grease-fouled floats, jammed grinders, burned-out motors, and other problems. Competitor grinder pump designs just don't work. They use centrifugal pumps or low-quality progressing cavity pumps. They use a small grinder. They use high-speed, low-torque motors. They use floats. And when the design doesn't work, the system doesn't work.
We get a lot of service calls due to pumps jamming up, floats getting stuck inside the basin with grease and soaps.
We had centrifugal grinder pumps that were put in here. They fit our needs at the time, but what we saw was we had higher maintenance issues from points of installation to mechanical situations with the equipment at the same time. It wasn't a matter of were we going to have a problem. When people started coming home at night, it was how many times during the week were you going to be going down there during the evening to resolve issues.
There is a simple solution: the E1 Upgrade Grinder Pump. The upgrade was specifically designed for parallel operation in low-pressure sewer systems. It contains a low-speed, high-torque motor that is not prone to jamming. The non-fouling level controls utilizing pressure switches, eliminates constant preventative maintenance associated with floats, and the simple drop-in replacement design with integral level and motor controls fits easily into any existing basin. With the experience gained by supporting more than 1 million end users daily, E1 also leads the field in training, support, and parts delivery, so installation and maintenance are trouble-free.
Seaward Equipment through E1 sent 3 of my people to their school at the factory. It was a 3-day school, and when those employees came back, the excitement level that they had as far as the knowledge they had acquired to repair these pumps that we could do our own to save the community some money was fantastic.
Upgrading our customers from the centrifugal grinder pump to the E1 PD pump has been great. We haven't had one upset customer in 3 years.
E1 designed the upgrade grinder pump specifically to fit virtually any other grinder pump well. And because the E1 grinder pump is designed like a household appliance, most homeowners never have to worry about sewer problems at all.
Until we discovered E1 pumps, we were doing service calls on restaurants every other week. We put an E1 pump in a specific restaurant that they were having major troubles with, and we haven't been back in 2 years.
We have not had a single issue. There hasn't been a single call for any maintenance or service. We're very satisfied. It's great. It has an impact on the business, knowing that the businesses that are on this system are going to have less downtime, less stress due to downtime alone. Just, words can't communicate how great that is.
Because of Battle of Alcor happened here, this is a very big tourist attraction. And it's a very historic area, so we want to keep it preserved as much as possible. In this area on Lake Champlain was all residential homes that had septic systems with leach fields. We are in an area that's noted for quite a bit of ledge. So we were getting a lot of infiltration into the lake, which was causing algae and some level of pollution to the lake. Talking to the boaters in the area over the last 15 years, 20 years, talking to some of the owners of the marina, they feel that we have cleaned this bay area of Lake Champlain up probably about 60 to 70% itself.
If you think that it's time to get rid of those problem pumps and begin minimizing your O&M costs by eliminating routine preventative maintenance, reducing the number and length of service calls, and slashing your service inventory and labor costs, then it's time you contact Environment One. We are the industry leader in low-pressure sewer solutions.